What if plants could photosynthesize with their mouths closed during the day to save water while still making sugar? That's exactly what desert plants do using a strategy called CAM photosynthesis. In this video, we break down how it works step by step, no prior knowledge needed. At night time, CO₂ enters. In CAM plants, stomata open at night. CO₂ is converted to bicarbonate, HCO3 negative, and then fixed by PEP carboxylase into oxaloacetate. OAA is converted to malate, stored in the vacuole as malic acid until sunrise. During the day, CO₂ is released. As the sun rises, stomata close to conserve water. Malic acid is released from the vacuole, decarboxylated. CO₂ is liberated and fed into the Calvin cycle. All the energy from sunlight is now used to make sugars without losing water. Key enzymes. This process involves PEP carboxylase for nighttime fixation, malate dehydrogenase, and malic enzyme, Rubisco for Kelvin cycle in the day. Who uses CAM? Common CAM plants include cactus, pineapple, agave, aloe vera, orchids. They have thick, waxy leaves and large vacuoles, perfect for harsh environments. Is it worth it? CAM is more energy intensive but extremely water efficient. In places where water is scarce but sunlight is abundant, CAM is a survival superpower. Types of CAM. Some plants always use CAM like cactus, while others, like ice plants, can switch between C3 and CAM depending on drought stress. CAM shows how plants can innovate to survive, even in the harshest environments. If this video made photosynthesis a little clearer, hit like, subscribe, and comment your plant-related questions below. Up next, how plants turn sugar into starch and sucrose, the real storage powerhouses. See you in the next video.